Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Cucumber. Cucumber belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family. Its scientific name is Cucumis sativus. Different varieties of cucumber are available. Cucumbers originated in India almost 10,000 years ago but are now cultivated in many countries. Cucumber contains lots of nutrients like silica, vitamin A, vitamin C, and folic acid, while the hard skin is rich in fiber and a range of minerals including magnesium, molybdenum, and potassium. Its health benefits include healing under eye, swelling, sunburns, prevent water loss, and dermatitis. Number 1. Skincare. Cucumber contains silica, which aids in developing strong and healthy connective tissues in the muscles, ligaments, tendons, cartilage, and bones. It also reduces sunburn, promotes hair growth, and treats skin ailments and swelling under the eye. Number 2, it contains antioxidants. Cucumbers contain lot of antioxidants and reduces free radicals, thus reducing the risk of cancer, heart, lung, and autoimmune disease. Number 3, it promotes hydration. Cucumbers contain high water intake and electrolytes which prevent dehydration, kidney stones, constipation, and boosts metabolism. Number 4, it may aid in weight loss. Cucumbers are low in calories and has high water content. Thus, it is effective in weight loss of the body. Number 5, prevent constipation and kidney stones. Cucumber protects from kidney stones and constipation as it is high in fiber and water. Number 6, control blood pressure. Cucumbers are high in magnesium, potassium, and fiber which lowers the high blood pressure. Cucumber therefore regulates blood pressure and contributes to the proper structure of connective tissues in our body, including those in the muscles, bones, ligaments, cartilage, and tendons. Number 7, manage diabetes. Cucumbers contain zero glycemic index, thus making it easy to digest the diabetic patients. It also maintains glucose levels of the body and reduces the effects of diabetes. Number 8, maintain overall health. Cucumber cleanses the body by removing accumulated waste and toxins from the body. It also optimizes urinary bladder, kidney, liver, and pancreatic functions. Cucumbers are also cures gout and eczema, promotes muscle flexibility, proper blood circulation, and relaxes nerves. It also prevents splitting of the finger and toenails as it contains magnesium, thus maintaining overall health of the body. Number 9. It could promote regularity. Cucumber supports regular bowel movements, prevents dehydration, constipation, and improves stool consistency, thus maintaining regularity. Number 10. Cardiovascular health. Cucumber contains fiber, potassium, and magnesium which prevents buildup of cholesterol, high blood pressure, and atherosclerosis. It also prevents cardiovascular problems. Number 11. Bone health. Cucumber contains vitamin K which strengthens bones and improves calcium absorption. It also provides good bone health. Number 12. Good for your eye health. Cucumber contains vitamin E which plays a crucial role in improving your skin, enhancing collagen production, acting as a natural anti-wrinkle agent. It also improves eyesight, prevents hyperpigmentation, cataracts as it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 13. Alkalizes your blood. Keeping your body's pH level optimal can help eliminate free radical cells which are acidic and cause symptoms associated with cancer. Drinking cucumber water on a daily basis can increase your body's alkalinity. Cucumber can be consumed at any time of day, but try not to consume it at night. Vinegar, balsamic, cider, red wine, rice wine, sherry, tarragon, white wine, sea salt, sugar a pinch, chopped dill, chopped basil, sliced tomato, sour cream goes well with cucumber. How to buy and store cucumbers. Buy cucumbers that are firm ones and their color should be bright medium green to dark green. Avoid the yellow puffy cucumbers that have water-soaked areas or wrinkled tips. Store cucumbers in the refrigerator. If the entire fruit is not used in one meal, then wrap the remainder tightly in plastic or place it in a closed container so that it does not get dried out. Try to eat cucumbers within 1 or 2 days of buying them, or else they will become limp, especially if kept for more than a week. Ways to use cucumber. Cucumber can be used in a variety of ways. You can also make an excellent puree with cucumbers, tomatoes, green peppers, and onions. Add salt and pepper for some extra flavor. Cucumbers give a fresh taste to tuna fish or chicken salad preparations. They can be eaten alone in their sliced form or with sprinkled salt and pepper. You can eat them raw, as part of cold salads, or dipped in yogurt, or simply sprinkled with some salt and lemon juice. Or you can eat them cooked with curries like a vegetable. Mix diced cucumbers with sugar snap peas and mint leaves and toss with rice wine vinaigrette. For refreshing cold gazpacho soup that takes 5 minutes. Uses of cucumber. Toner, blending and sieving to collect the juice for a natural toner. Leave on the skin for 30 minutes, then rinse. This is said to have astringent properties and to help clear the pores. Face pack. Mix equal amounts of cucumber juice and yogurt to make a face pack that help reduce dry skin and blackheads. Combats bad breath. Placing cucumber slices in your mouth can help you to get rid of bad breath by eliminating bad odor, causing bacteria, along with eliminating the formation of microbes, which can also lead to oral health complications and gum disease. Repair hair. If dry and rough hair is your problem, then try making some cucumber paste, mixing it with water, then just gently massage the concoction on your head and you will gradually see the difference on your hair and scalp hair. Season in which cucumber is available. Slicing cucumbers are available throughout the year, but they are at their best between May and July. Safety profile. High consumption of cucumber could affect on blood clotting. People who use blood thinning drugs should not consume cucumber without consulting a doctor. The concentration of cucurbitacins in the everyday cucumber are unlikely to cause toxicity, and their nutritional benefits far outweigh any risk of pesticide or natural poisoning. Cucumber can be hard to digest for some people. Fast facts about cucumber. Cucumbers consist mainly of water. Some people use cucumber to soothe sunburn. Early research shows that a compound found in cucumbers might help fight cancer. Cucumbers contain lignin, which may help fight cardiovascular disease. Cucumber is a versatile food that can be added to a variety of dishes. Cucumbers really are a source of so many things. They contain vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5 and B6, folic acid, vitamin C, iron, calcium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus and potassium, whilst also being around 95% water. Cucumber can actually cure bad breath. A slice pressed to the roof of your mouth for 30 seconds with your tongue allows the phytochemicals to kill the problematic bacteria. The waxy coating of a cucumber can actually remove ink. Rubbing the skin over the writing will slowly remove it. Unlike the school erasers that were said to remove pen marks, these actually do. Cucumbers are said to contain the lignans, lyricinol, pinoricinol, and hexoricinol. These supposedly are linked with reducing the risk of developing certain cancers, including breast, ovarian, colon, and prostate cancer. When consumed, bacteria in our digestive tract grab the lignans, converting them into androgens, which bind to the estrogen receptors, reducing estrogen-related diseases, including cancer. Pureed or sliced cucumber gives an almost instant relief to sunburned skin. Just place some against the affected area. Cucumbers have been consumed for a very long time. They were first domestically grown in ancient India around the 2nd-3rd millennia BC. There can be a 20-degree difference between the inside of a cucumber and the actual temperature outside. This is thought to be where the phrase "cool as a cucumber" came from. In 2014, German authorities found a drug haul worth around $56.28 million or 50 million euro smuggled inside pickled cucumber jars amongst the shipment on its way to Iran from Germany. The green vegetable has even been transported by one of the most famous explorers. Christopher Columbus is said to have taken cucumbers to Haiti in 1494 and started their contribution around the New World. Worldwide cucumbers production was 57.5 million tons in 2000 alone, with 40.7 million tons of the production and exporting happening in China. David Thomas from the UK grew the world's heaviest cucumber, weighing in at 12.9 kg on the 26th September 2015 at the Melbourne Autumn Show in Worcestershire, UK. David is no newbie when it comes to the world of heaviest vegetable, holding the record for the heaviest parsnip as well. Cucumbers can also help lower eye puffiness. The ascorbic and caffeic acids lower the water retention rate, shrinking the swelling and puffiness. Cucumber was responsible for a salmonella outbreak in the US in 2015-16. The CDS or Center for Disease Control said that as of March 2016, there were 907 cases and 6 deaths.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.